Hello everyone, this is Pampi Morandante again, and today I will be talking about algebra. Okay, so here we go. Okay guys, before I'll start talking about the language of algebra, let me just give you a very short history about it. Algebra is an important part of the language of mathematics. It comes from the Arabic word algebar, and it was first used in a book written by a Persian mathematician called Al-Khwarizmi. Okay, now let's start talking about the language of algebra. Okay, now remember, how do you call those letters that are used to represent numbers? Remember them? Algebra is actually based on the idea that if something works with numbers, then it will work with letters. Okay, let's give an example. So this is an example of an algebraic expression which is 2x minus 7, wherein 2 here, which we call it the coefficient, the number beside the variable. So variable is represented by x, so meaning variables are letters. And then you have here the constant. So when we say constant, it's only a number. Okay, so when we say algebraic expression, it's a combination of letters and numbers. See, it can include the variables, constant, and operating symbols such as the plus signs or the minus signs. It's only a phrase, not the whole sentence, so it doesn't include an equal sign. So this is an expression. Okay? I have here another example. We are going to write 4 increased by half of y as an algebraic expression. This 4 increased by half of y, we call it as mathematical word, okay, a mathematical phrase. So this is 4 plus 1 half y, or 4 plus y over 2. So that's how you write this mathematical phrase into an algebraic expression. Now, what is the coefficient in the given expression? So we have 1 half, the one beside y. What about the variable and the constant? The variable here is y and the constant is 4. The next question is, how many terms are there in the given expression? So basically, to count the terms, just those separated by a plus or a minus. Here we have 4 and 1 half y, so therefore there are 2 terms here. Okay?
Before going further in the study of algebra, let's try to differentiate first some of the very important vocabularies, or we call it mathematical terms, in algebra. Okay, so we just defined expression, and expression is a statement usually containing one or more algebraic symbols. Here in the example, we have 2, open parenthesis, x plus 4, close parenthesis, or we call it 2 times the sum of x plus 4. That's another way of saying that. So that's an example of an expression. Next one is an equation. Equation also contains algebraic symbols and numbers, but contains an equal sign. So here, look at the example, x squared minus 8x is equal to negative 7. That is an example of an equation. This time, it has an equal sign. Next one is a formula. Formula is a designed equation which is used to solve a problem. So here is an example, which is the formula of the perimeter of a rectangle, which is P is equal to 2L plus 2 width. So that's an example of a formula. The next one is an identity. When we say identity, is a special equation which is true for all values of x as the variable. Look at here, which is the square of x minus 2. When you are going to get the product of this, that is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 4. Okay, so this is how it works. Check this out. So that's an example of an identity. Okay.
So I have here an exercises on how to find out whether the given expression is a formula, an expression, an equation, or identity. So first one, we have a is equal to pi r squared, and this is an area of a circle, therefore it's a formula. Next one is x squared plus 10x minus 3. This is a perfect example of an expression. There is no equal sign here. These are just plain algebraic symbols. Next one is x times the sum of x plus 4 is equal to 12. So there is an equal sign, therefore it's an equation. Okay, so there is nothing special here, so this is an equation. Next one, check, there's an equal sign, but when you get the product of this, it's equal to x squared plus 4x. Therefore, this is an identity. Okay, so this is a formula, an expression, an equation, and an identity. Next one. Okay, no more next one. And that's it for now. Thank you so much for your attention and see you again on my next vlog. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And see you again for my next mathematics tutorial. Thank you. Bye-bye.